So if you're like, this is too much, get out now. Because once you get wrapped up in the Just Like Drew crew, you're not getting out. Also, hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you is, I was like, what video is it? Girl, I don't know. Okay, I know. It is the first day of February. Oh my gosh, I know what month it was. February 2019 box week. I knew the year though. So I want to point out, if you're a first time guest here on my YouTube channel, this is exactly the quality of entertainment you're going to be receiving your whole stay here on my channel. So if you're like, this is too much, get out now. Because once you get wrapped up in the Just Like Drew crew, you're not getting out. Also, that brings me to, if you wanna join our little family here, just click the red subscribe button down below, the Just Like Drew crew, our forever family, because we're literally the best crew around. This is honestly the worst invitation to subscribe to my channel that I've ever given out. So if you do subscribe to that, honestly, comment below and tell me, because I want to know if that, how you felt about being asked so poorly to join our YouTube family. So, you know, I think what it is like, I am so, like, I told you this year, I legitimately just am doing me. I'm not even like trying to like be professional anymore. I'm just doing I'm just doing Drew, just like Drew, doing that. So, real quick, we're gonna be putting items into our stockpile giveaway. We've been filling up this box of goodies here. We started this box last month, and once that box is full, we're gonna just post a video to give away to somebody on my YouTube channel. That's it. It's that simple. So tonight we're going to be opening the first subscription I ever got. The one that started off this whole subscription thing on my channel. Also, I did not tell anyone what Box Week is. Box Week is the best week every month on my YouTube channel. I know, you're probably thinking, you said this is like low quality entertainment and this is the best entertainment you offer. You got it. So this is there's a new video every day for the next 7 days. So this is the first one. You can catch us for 6 more of this the whole week. And we open up all my subscription boxes. We hang out. We comment back and forth. It's a lot of fun. So you know, whatever. We're gonna be opening up Ipsy. Again, I don't really know the direction this video is going in, but I'm interested in the direction. I'm also afraid of the direction, so we're gonna see. So this subscription bag is $10 every month. I've got a code down below if you're like, I want to get this for myself, because Drew's done such a good job showing it off. You just press that and you just sign up and then you'll have it. So I'm gonna open it now because we can't really just keep this going the way it is. So how are you guys doing? I'm obviously struggling with life in general, so that's great. Ipsy is $10 a month. You get 5 items every month. What am I trying to say? And like, some of them will be full size. Usually they're deluxe sample products. I don't know. So this month the bag is a kissy bag, obviously for Valentine's Day. And this is, it says swoon so hard. It's a little card that tells us about what's actually inside of our bag. Oh look, we got face masks. Ooh, y'all know how I feel about face masks. So this is Surmedic Age Control Multi-Vita Face Mask. So they sent these. I'm excited. I've never actually tried this brand of face mask before, and I know it's crazy because you guys saw my face mask haul video, or like I've done face mask haul videos, and I've also done like a face mask video where I show you all my face masks, and I want you to know, after Box Week is over, I am going to be filming a haul video because I have been getting more face masks. So if you like face masks, that's coming. So inside of the actual bag this month, we have the Multi-Axe Repair Cream from Lab4U. Instantly soothes and moisturizes skin after any irritation or damage. So this is like a cream you're supposed to put on if your skin is like irritated or damaged. I'm actually going to put this in the giveaway box. I've never tried anything like this before, but I do usually have a lot of calming or soothing masks on hand that I like to use after I do like waxing of like my eyebrows or my mustache or any of that stuff. So I'm going to give this out to somebody can actually try it, because I feel like that's kind of an interesting item. All right, next thing that we have is a makeup brush by Moda Pro, and it doesn't say, okay, hold on. This is a BMX 265 Glow Brush. So this is a brush that you're actually gonna use for highlighter. I have a brush just like this. It's all black, it's from Morphe. One of my absolutely favorite makeup tools, basically because it is like, what is the word? Whatever this is, flocked this way, I think that's the word. You can pick up a lot of highlighter and it gives you that like, I'm glowing, I'm feeling it. Yes, I am. Okay, so this is gonna go in the giveaway box also, because you guys know I have a lot of makeup brushes and I always like to put makeup brushes in the giveaway box. I feel like that is a great item for people who may not have a lot of them. Next item that we have is, oh, what is this? Laga Prickly Pear. Y'all, it is something hot pink. I think it goes on my lips. I think this is a lip product. Oh my goodness. Okay, we are going to absolutely test this out to see what's going on here. First of all, it smells amazing. So I don't know what it actually is, but it smells great. We're gonna put some on my hand now. Ooh, look at that. Okay, so it's a really, really pretty, like, light pink gloss. It's funny that they give that out now, because like this is something that I think I'd more wear in the summertime, but I definitely like it, you know? All right, and then finally inside here, it looks like we have a Daisy and Pearl Natural Radiance Booster. I'm assuming that this is some sort of like highlighter product, because they gave us a highlighting brush. I want to see the shade. So I've kind of been like running a little bit low on highlighter, so it's kind of like I need it, but it has to be the right shade, because I do have other highlighter. You guys know what I'm talking about? Like once you get like a little bit too into makeup, you're like, I have this product, but I don't have the right shade of this product, and that's kind of just like where my life is at right now in 2019. I don't know. So I'm gonna pull this out here and see what they've actually given us. I can't get it out of the box though, so that's kind of, they really packed this in good. They did not want it to break. So I mean, that part is cool, but the problem is that they did not factor in that Drew would be trying to open this and that she would never, ever know what was inside. I might give it away just because I can't open it. All right, so here we go. Okay, oh, look at that. That's like, can you see that? It's like a purpley toned highlighter. I actually have a highlighter like this color. So I'm gonna put this in the giveaway box. I'm gonna put it back safely into here, so I'm not gonna swatch it. But what I will do is I will pull out the shade of highlighter that I have that's similar and show you what that looks like. So give me 1 second and I will do that. I'm trying to put this back in here. That's looking janky. Whoever wins this giveaway box, I'm sorry that I am not doing a good job of putting this highlighter back, because Drew's on a struggle bus right now. She just is, everybody. Let's just accept her and what she's going through. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna grab the highlighter that I have the similar shade so you guys can see what it looks like. Okay. Alrighty, so I am back. I have my Spotlight Highlight 6 color palette from BH Cosmetics, and I feel like the highlighter that they gave out is very like similar to like these two shades of highlighter, which I'm actually wearing on my eyes today. So I'm going to swatch those two just so you can see what they look like on my hand, so you can kind of get an idea for what the highlighter we got is going to look like if you are the lovely winner of the giveaway box. Yeah, so overall I'm actually really impressed with this bag. I feel like last month it was a little bit of a letdown. I feel like this month they've come back with a decent selection of items. I feel like Ipsy's been like just kind of struggling a little bit, like not like trying to throw shade, just like I know that they started like this like deluxe bag thing that only random people can get, so it's like, you know, whenever somebody starts something new, they want to put all the focus in that, but they're kind of like, oh yeah, we still have to do like the smaller bag. So overall I think that they're kind of getting their groove back. I'm happy with them. I love Ipsy, always have. I think I always will, because even if I have like a rough month with them, usually they pick it back up right away the next month. So to recap, we got the Multi-X Repair Cream from Lab. Can you guys see that? I'm trying to do better with focusing items in. I don't actually know if I am doing better, but I am trying. So that's where we're at today. That's going in the giveaway box. We got the Daisy and Pearl Natural Radiance Booster Highlighter, which I swatched these two from my BH Cosmetics to show you a similar shade of those. And we got the Moda Pro Glow Brush, which goes perfectly with this. So this little fam is going in the giveaway box as well. We got the Prickly Pear really good smelling lip gloss, which is right there. It's like that light, like bubblegummy pink color. We got the Smoochy Kissy Lips bag, which I'm actually going to put that in the giveaway box as well because it's really cute. I want somebody to win that. And then we got the Sure Medic Age Control Multivita Face Mask. And actually, there's like 2 face masks in here. So I was like, wasn't really, you know, doing a good job here. Oh, we got a separate one. So we got a collagen one. So they actually gave 2 face masks. And y'all know that like your girl is like very happy right now because she got 2 new face masks and because I needed more face masks. You know, I want you guys to know, I was talking to Josh the other day and he goes, honey, I think you need to get more face masks. And I was like, why? And he's like, well, the other day, you know, I talked about doing one of your face masks and you kind of just froze up on me because you didn't have any left in the box that were for somebody who doesn't know how to do face masks. And I was like, yeah, so I'm trying to restock my box so that, you know, there's more. So that's all I have for you guys today, but if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be part of the Justlikedrew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our Forever family because we are literally the best crew around because anybody and everybody can be our crew. I love you guys so stinking much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for day 2 of box week. Alright, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye. I'm that SpongeBob meme, like.
That is perfect.